Welcome to my daily HR metrics series by Nicolas Behbahani. We have spent the last few years obsessively optimizing our technology to ensure our employees can connect to their work from anywhere. But in doing so, we accidentally disconnected them from each other. Welcome back to our daily HR metrics series. Today we are diving into groundbreaking research from the Workday Foundation regarding the Human Connection Workflex Index. We are fixing a crisis of relational poverty. If your company assumes that sending out a weekly newsletter and hosting a mandatory Zoom happy hour equals culture, you are falling into a dangerous trap. We have successfully automated the workflow, but we have completely transactionalized the human experience. The Workday research highlights a massive organizational blind spot. When every interaction is scheduled, logged, and tied to a specific project deliverable, we eliminate the organic cross-functional collisions that build actual trust. Employees are reporting record level of isolation, not because they aren't talking to people, but because those conversations are purely transactional. When human connection drops, psychological safety plummets and burnout skyrockets. True future of work leadership requires recognizing that social capital is not a nice to have. It's the foundational infrastructure of high-performing teams. To mathematically diagnose if your organization is building social capital or bankrupting it, today we are introducing the Relational Proximity Index, RPI. This metric tracks the percentage of your workforce actively engaged in structures, relationship-building ecosystems that are entirely detached from their daily deliverables. Here's the formula. Take the total number of employees actively participating in mentorship programs, peer coaching, or employee research groups, ERGs. Divide that by your total employee headcount and multiply by 100. If your RPI is sitting below 25%, your culture is surviving on purely transactional fumes. You don't have a connected workforce. You have a collection of isolated task rabbit nodes. You cannot schedule trust, but you can build the infrastructure for it to grow. If you want to retain top talent, we have to transition from managing workflows to architecting human connection. What is your organization relationship proximity index? Are your people building social capital or are they just logging tickets? See you tomorrow for another new HR metric. For your daily dose of learning people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and LinkedIn page at Nicolas Behbahani.